In this video, we will share with you how we got our backyard done. This is how it looked like in the end with simple landscaping. Step 1 is to make a plan. It's good to plan ahead, so we sketched ourselves a plan. So over here in the corner, we have our patio. On either side, we wanted flower beds. The flower bed with the patio, we wanted to be smaller, and we also wanted one side to be thicker. Then in the middle, we wanted to have grass. On the other side, we wanted another flower bed, but this time it'd be opposite, so one side had to be thicker than the other. This time, it would go all the way. Step 2 is to pull out all the weeds and rocks from your land so it's ready for step 3. Step 3 is to put a layer of soil on your land so it's ready for the sod. The soil has to be spread out and has to be layered. What happens is a bobcat comes and puts the soil on the ground, then the rakes rake it out even more. Step 4 is to roll the roller on the soil. Step 5 was to draw out where we wanted our flower beds. Step 6 was putting on the sod. Usually what happened was that the sod wouldn't fit, so they had to cut it to make it fit. They also cutted it on the sides for the flower beds. Ideally, what you should do is you should water the grass for at least an hour every day and not step on the grass for at least for the first 2 weeks. Step 7 was to roll the roller on the sod. This is so the sod could be a part of the soil and it would grow into the land so it won't move around. Step 8 was to make our flower beds. As you can see, we chose a couple of things to make them. We chose 2 colors of mulch, 2 colors of rocks, a couple of trees, and some plants. We used the rocks to separate the colors of mulch, and some just for decoration. And sometimes we also use the rocks to make a circle around plants. We did this on both sides of our land. We are going to add more flowers into the flower bed, but we're just waiting for them to bloom out of some pots, and then we'll put them in. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe if you are new, and we will see you all in the next one. Bye!